we were in Spreewald for a few days. We slept in the WIB Spreewald holiday home. There are holiday homes and holiday apartments here. Our apartment had a kitchen, a bedroom and a bathroom. There was enough space for us. There is a terrace behind the apartment. You also receive breakfast. There's a lot to do in the Spreewald. For example, you can take a boat tour. Or you can take a walk and visit the Bismarkturm. That's all. Goodbye.